Yep. Today I'm gonna show you how to change some brakes. And you know what that means. You can get some coochie. Size 13. Just like my dusty feet. Put it right there. I'm doing this one hand. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't lift up. Yeah.
I mean, that's the way it is. I mean, and I don't knock it.
Get that motherfucker up here, get it out your way. This what you left with, your shoes. Snap them on out. New brake, old brake. See the difference? Change these, cause that's what be squeaking. Slide it in the same way you took it out, son. Put the old brake plate in there. Put your C-clamp on there. Tighten it up. Don't forget to bleed them. You don't want no air in the hose. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is take the hose from somebody breathing treatment. Like I did. And you know what I mean? You don't want no air bubbles in between. Don't get them confused. Them pinches in my hose. Not air bubbles. But you see a little bit right there. All you gotta do is keep pumping. Pump all the air bubbles out. And then once it's straight, you're good. You want a little bit in the bottom, at the bottom. Keep pumping.
Jose, 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 Jose.